That clematis porch I often climbed, yearning to recite pars, churning for tractor returning, with apple tree climbing and nettles stinging, water butt fights, and a footballing kid gifting glass breaking, hide and seek amongst the blooms of Budleier's plume, to steering clear the rat shed doom, yet trailing earthworms and snails gave dirty knees and earth beneath fingernails, waiting for cows at the bottom gate, and dirty spuds decorated Sunday's plate. Stacked ahead, piled high, was the woodshed, before sneaking June's first strawberry red, when summer grew from the cuckoo that flew across the field's view, infused from grandma's green heart true, came with teachings in patchwork hues and feathers too. Among a crammed washing line wigwam, tea-time sandwiches of strawberry jam, jelly shoes and slides in a paddling pool, then snowman ruled in winter's cool, to the house key lost in spring's daffodil burst, from mother's versed red outburst, and father's unrehearsed autumn fireworks cursed. Steering my priceless blue tractor in bliss, the promising farmer's daughter in practice, came 1,000 Sundays, and little brother's cake party days, to less so rainy days, ending school holiday days, and too many a miss-kicked football dismissed, from many a rose thorn kissed, came too in holes dug, and picked bouquets lay, wading tears shed, for fur companions fluttered away, the Springer, the ginger cat, and Tom who laid among hay, leaving first duvet lessons of grey. Came lessons learned in a childhood unhurried, set loose in an unbolted Eden, unscripted, outdoor that third thatch cottage gifted, where rose petal perfume teemed and Wembley goals dreamed. Behind rose petal perfume and Wembley goals. This one, it's a little ode, a kind of love letter to my childhood garden where I grew and where I roamed. It's never left me those good times. I know I always look back at it with fondness, possibly wearing rose-tinted glasses. You may have heard similar lines or